gawin ko ang macaroni salad. So I have here a very small pack. I am already boiling here water. And then once it boiled up, ilalagay na natin ang ating macaroni. Alright, for my macaroni guys, ito maglalagay ako nitong tropical fruit and an apple inside. So I already prepared the elbow macaroni. Pour all here in this little bowl. So ito, yung ating pineapple. Marami din pala yung 432 grams na tropical fruit. Next is apple. I'm gonna add apple here. As additional fruit. Pwede rin namang wala na kasi syempre additional ano din to. So chilled. Chilled na to siya guys. Pour in na lang natin. Here. Wow, look at that.